So my toxic trait is seeing something on TikTok and thinking, oh, I can make that. So we have a sewing machine. Okay, so here it comes with a few accessories as well as the needles that go in there, some practice fabric, and the petals and all the other stuff. I got the gray slash white color, but it kind of looks more just gray. It doesn't look white at all. You can see the comparison in color here. And now I'm just going to set this up. And so I have the machine set up, and I think, oh yep, there is a light right here. I took a clothing and textile class in high school, and so this is why I kind of know how to use a machine. But this is like so cute. I'm gonna start, I don't know, trying to work on something. Like I stated before, I don't know what I'm doing. High school was the last time I used a sewing machine. So I kind of drew like a diagram of what I wanted. The pashmina would be, you know, just kind of like a cropped with sleeves, and I was trying to make a hood. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough fabric for that, but we'll see. I ordered this pashmina from Amazon. It literally just arrived right now, but it's really cool. It's double-sided, but I think I'll be using this side right here. I did get that measurements from Amazon, and it said that it measured about 70 by 26. So then I kind of made like a 70 by 26 like little mock-up, and then started to measure kind of somewhat of what the pattern would be like. Okay, here we go. This is the finished product. Totally kidding. This looks terrible. It's my first try, but I had some scrap yarn that I wasn't using anymore, so I decided to just try it first, and I'm glad I did because I don't want to waste my new pashmina. So obviously this one is way too long, so I'm gonna remove some inches here, and then this is too short, so I'm gonna add a little bit more here. But overall, I think it's good on the size, so I think we're gonna give it another try. Okay, so here I laid it and it's folded in half, so now I'm just gonna cut my pieces out and then start sewing. Have enough for a hood. Looks so cute, and I'm just gonna put like some eyelets here and then a chain, and then I think it'll be really nice. So I just sewed my front and back piece together, so this is the head. And so to attach the arms, I'm treating this like a crochet cardigan pattern. So the arms are just gonna go like this. Okay, and then from there, once these pieces are sewn together, you would just fold it. And this would be together. This would be together, and so you would have your cardigan with the sleeves and the head hole. And so here we go. This is what the final product looks like. This is at Ubby Dubby in Texas. It's definitely far from perfect, but I'll say it's not too shabby for being my first time.